Speak this over your life today and step into the confidence of belonging to the King of Glory. This is Psalm 24, personalized as a powerful confession. The earth is the Lord's, and all its fullness, the world and those who dwell in it. For he has founded it upon the seas and established it upon the waters. Who may ascend into the hill of the Lord, or who may stand in his holy place? I have clean hands and a pure heart. I do not lift up my soul to an idol, nor do I swear deceitfully. I receive blessing from the Lord and righteousness from the God of my salvation. This is the generation of those who seek him, who seek the face of the God of Jacob. I lift up my head, O gates, and I am lifted up, everlasting doors, and the King of glory comes in. Who is this King of glory? The Lord strong and mighty, the Lord mighty in battle. I lift up my head, O gates, and I am lifted up, everlasting doors, and the King of glory comes in. Who is this King of glory? The Lord of hosts. He is the King of glory. I belong to him, and he reigns over my life. His strength is my strength, and his victory is my victory. Father, I thank you for being the King of glory, strong and mighty in my life. I seek your face, and I walk in your righteousness. If this spoke to you, like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs it. I walk in God's promises daily. I am covered, protected, and secure in him. Amen.